Many of us work and teach and communicate online, but sharing a traditional work surface such as a whiteboard during those online meetings is surprisingly difficult. ShareTheBoard is the best tool for solving that problem, and in this short video I'll show you exactly how to do that. Back on your dashboard, you have two options to start sharing a meeting. You can start an instant meeting or create a meeting for later. This is very useful if you have a standing class or a standing meeting and you don't want to keep creating new URLs. Just take that link, paste it into your invite, and use it for every meeting moving forward. Whichever option you choose, the onboarding process is very quick. And I'm using a different camera here to show you exactly what's going on. But the application is smart enough to find the surface that you're actually trying to share for you. So as you adjust your camera, you can see it's trying to find it and adjust the work area to match the surface you're trying to share. If it doesn't find it, or if you're just not happy with that selection, you can always set it manually. Either way, click Start Session to get started. And now all that's left is to actually share the in-app view with your online participants. And you'll do that in 2 steps. You'll want to copy this meeting invite link, which is the same thing that you'll see up here in the address bar. And back in your online session, just paste that link for everybody to see. The second step is to share the tab where you have ShareTheBoard running. And once you do that, that's it. You're ready to go. That first step is very important because it not only gives your online participants the ability to see the content that's being streamed from your board, but to actually be able to interact with that content. So with even if they're not in the room, they can contribute content to the board. They can save it with one click. They can obviously see it clearly. So that's it. Thanks to ShareTheBoard. Now everybody, both people who are in the room physically and those joining remotely, can participate in a whiteboarding session.